How to use Microsoft PowerPoint like a pro. If you want to use Microsoft PowerPoint like a pro, first let me open up Microsoft PowerPoint. The first thing to check is to, instead of starting everything from scratch, you can always choose one of the default themes or the pre-made themes to choose from. So right from the home page of PowerPoint, click on the More Themes icon from the top right hand side and you will see lots of themes that are available for using. You can just choose a certain theme of your choice, and whichever you like, you can just go ahead and then use them and begin editing your slides. The next thing that you can do is, if your PowerPoint is in light mode for any reason and you want to switch to a dark mode, you can just click on your PowerPoint file name from the top left and go to Preferences or Settings. From here you want to go to this option called General, and from General you can see this option called Turn Off Dark Mode. So if this is checked for some reason, you simply want to uncheck this to switch this to a darker theme, which is going to cause very less strain on your eyes. If you happen to basically save a PowerPoint file by clicking on File from the top left and going to Save As and saving it as a .pptx file, you can choose to open this on your Google Slides and make everything still editable as well. You can also go to Add-ins from the top right hand side and choose some of the default add-ins that you can use to install to Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.